Welcome to my channel Digital Nor. I am going to present the video lesson on paper 4, core paper 4 for second semester BA in Political Science. So today's topic is political parties. So in this chapter we shall discuss about 9 lessons. So the whole chapter I have divided into 9 chapters. So in this chapter we shall discuss about what is political party and what are the different party system. So in this video lesson we shall discuss about this. So political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. Democracy is equal to political parties. The political party are just like life and blood of democracy. The growth of political party in a political system is extra-constitutional. The democratic system cannot work without the existence of a party system. The democracy which is being practiced all over the world is called representative democracy. In this system, governance is done through the people's representative because it is impossible for each citizen directly participate in the governance. The need for representative democracy has given rise to a political parties. So every democratic system has a party system. Why did political party become so omnipotent in democracy all over the world? Let us first answer what political parties are and what they do before we say why we need a political party. Now we shall discuss about what is political party. What are the meaning of political party? A political party is an organized group of people who have the same ideology and who otherwise have the same political position and who field candidate for elections in a attempt to get them elected, hold power in the government and thereby implement the party's agenda. So this is the meaning of political party. So from this meaning we know different characteristics, features of party system. Parties, first is a party is a group of people. Secondly, they must be organized. The party is organized for national interest and they have some common goals and objectives, and the party is formed to fight election, to put candidate in the election, and the party try to get them elected, and at last the party has the initiation to form the government. After the formation of government, the agenda of the party, policies of parties are implemented. These are the characteristics of party system that we have studied from the meaning of party. Now we shall discuss about definition of political party. Mark Ivor defines a political party as an association organized in support for some principle or policy which by constitutional means it endeavor to make the determinate government. So then again the Burke defines a political party as a body of men united for promoting by their joint endeavors the national interest upon some particular principles in which they are all agreed. According to Gilchrist, Gilchrist defines a political party as an organized group of citizens who profess or share the same political view and who by acting as a political units try to control the government. Then Gattel, another political thinker, defines political party as a political party consists of a group of citizens more or less organized who act as a political unit and who by the use of their voting power aim to control the government, carry out their general policies. These are some of the definitions of political party we have already discussed. Now we shall discuss what are the components of political party. The political party consists of which components? A political party has three components. They are the leaders, the active members, and the followers. These three are the important components of a political party. Now we shall discuss about different party system which worked in different country of the world. So they are the party system. There are three party system. One is the one party system or uniparty system. Second one is the two party system or biparty system, and third one is the multi-party system. One party system. Now we shall discuss about what is one party system. In some countries, one party is allowed to control, run the government. These are called one party system or uniparty system. Such a political system has been prominent in authoritarian political regimes, and communist countries such as China, North Korea, Cuba. Before the collapse of communism, the system was also prevalent in USSR, former USSR. Then we shall discuss second party system, that is the two party system or biparty system. The two party system is otherwise known as the biparty system, the democratic system which allow at least two parties to compete in election, provide a fair chance for the competing party to come to power. In some countries, the power usually changes between two main parties. Several other parties may exist, contest election, and win a few seats in the national legislature, but only two main parties have a serious chance of winning majority of seats to form the government. Such a system is called two-party system or biparty system. The United States of America, the United Kingdom are the example of two political parties. In this system, one party acts as the ruling party, and other parties become a opposition party. In this party, the government is strong and the government is stable. Then next party system is multi-party system. We shall discuss about what do we mean by multi-party system. A system in which several parties compete for power, and more than two political parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power either on their own strength or in alliance with other. We call it a multi-party system. Thus in India, we have a multi-party system. In this system, the government is formed by various parties coming together in a coalition. When several parties in multi-party system join hand for a purpose of contesting election and winning power, it is called alliance or front or coalition. For example, in India, there were three such major alliances in 2004 parliament election, like the National Democratic Alliance NDA, the United Progressive Alliance UPA, and the Left Front. And also in 2009, 2014 and 2000 parliament elections, there was contest between two alliance partners like NDA and UPA. NDA under leadership of BJP and UPA under leadership of Congress respectively. This system often leads to a political instability. At the same time, this system allows a variety of interest opinion to enjoy political power. So, India is an example of multiple system. Similarly, we find the multiple system is found in a large number of countries like Germany, France, Italy, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. In many countries, in a large number of countries, we find multiple system. Thank you very much. This is lesson about what is party system and what are the different party system and what is the political parties. In the next video, we shall discuss about what is the power and what is the functions of political party. Thank you very much. Thank you.